Welcome to Module 5. Before we dive in, let me quickly remind you of the 3 key takeaways from Module 4. First, we learned that AI works best as your thinking partner, not as a replacement for your own judgment. It can help you brainstorm ideas, plan projects, and organize your thoughts. But you are still the one making the final decisions. Second, we discovered how to use AI for practical planning. Whether it's a home chef creating her business plan in Hyderabad, a content creator planning her YouTube content in Kochi, or a standard 10th student organizing his study schedule in Agartala. Third, we understood the importance of verification. AI gives you excellent starting points, but you must always check the facts, add your local knowledge, and make sure that the suggestions actually work in your real-world situation. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to think carefully about the values we build into these systems. So, in this module, you learn how to be a responsible and aware AI user. We will cover the important ethical questions that come with this powerful technology. First, we'll understand what AI ethics means and why it affects everyone: students, small business owners, teachers, government services, you. Second, we'll explore the main ethical challenges with AI: bias, privacy concerns, trust issues, and environmental impact. And finally, we'll look at how governments around the world, including India, are trying to regulate AI to make it safer and fairer for everyone. By the end of this module, I hope you'll not only know how to use AI effectively, but how to use it ethically and safely. And ethics is simply how we decide what is right and what is wrong. AI ethics applies these thinkings to systems that can learn and make decisions on their own. But why should you care about this? Because as we saw, AI now touches almost every part of our lives. If you're a student, AI might help determine your exam scores or college admissions. If you're looking for a job, AI could screen your resume. If your family runs a small business, AI might decide whether you get a loan or not. If you use some government service, AI could affect what benefits you receive and which ones you don't. The challenge is that AI gives us amazing speed and convenience, but it can also create new problems: unfair treatment, privacy violations, fake information, and sometimes even environmental damage. Think of it as a trade-off. We get faster, more accessible services, but we risk bias, privacy leaks, scams, and misinformation like deepfakes. This is where the principles of AI ethics become important. A simple way to understand them, to remember them, is to use the acronym FAST, F-A.S.T. F stands for fairness. AI should treat similar people in similar ways. A stands for accountability. Someone should be responsible when AI makes mistakes. S stands for safety. AI should avoid causing harm to people. And T stands for transparency. We should understand how AI makes its decisions. They should be explainable. These are the principles that help us build AI systems that work for everyone and not just a privileged few. Now let's try to understand each of these principles in a little more detail with some examples. Let's take F first, fairness. Fairness means that similar situations should get similar treatment. For example, if an AI system schedules work shifts, it shouldn't always give the worst night shifts to the same group of people. A simple way to check fairness is to ask yourself, would this be fair if it happened to me? Accountability, the A, is about making sure humans remain responsible for AI decisions. Safety, the S, means AI should never deliberately harm people. That is why ChatGPT will not help you with dangerous activities. It will not give you harmful advice or assist you with scams. This AI is designed to be helpful but safe. The T, transparency. means AI should be able to explain its decisions, and people should know when they're interacting with AI. For example, if an AI system rejects your job application, it should be able to tell you why. When you see an AI edited photo on social media, it should be labeled as AI edited so that you're not misled. Remember, ethics always involves trade-offs and compromises. You might want more personalized recommendations from an app, but that requires giving up some privacy. You might want AI to make faster decisions, but that would mean less transparency about how those decisions are made. Just like any powerful technology, AI has both the beneficial and the potentially harmful applications. Looking at the diagram, you can see that the same underlying technology, whether it's an electric motor or an AI model, can be used for very different purposes. An electric motor can power a helpful blender or a dangerous weapon. Similarly, AI models can power useful chatbots like ChatGPT or create harmful deepfakes. And this now brings us to the 4 major ethical concerns most people have with AI. The first of these is AI bias, which is when AI systems unfairly favor certain groups over other groups. Privacy concerns are the second. This is about how AI can invade our personal lives and misuse our private data. The third is trust, and there is a lack of trust in current AI capability because we still cannot fully rely on AI to give us accurate information all the time. And finally, the fourth is the environmental impact, which is about how the processors and the chips that power AI training, inference, and usage affects our planet, sometimes negatively. Each of these issues affects real people in real ways. A biased hiring AI might prevent qualified candidates from getting jobs. Privacy violations could expose your personal information to strangers. Unreliable AI might give you wrong medical advice. And the environmental cost of AI could contribute to climate change. The good news, however, is that by understanding these issues, you can make smarter choices about when and how to use AI in your own life.